पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी। दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे। वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
Hello students, happy Children's Day. Maybe the thought runs in all your mind that what is Children's Day, ma'am? No celebrations, nothing, no college. That's how it is. We all have to go with it. Whether I like it, you like it, we don't. I mean, there's nothing like somebody's going to sit and listen to us. Hope so we come out of this at the earliest. In the meantime, I only, advise you all that kindly concentrate on your studies. Whether it's first PU, whether it's second PUC, you're coming much closer to your examination dates. Already we are in the mid of November, so another 15 days November ends and December just runs like that. And once Jan, it's examination fever. So concentrate on your studies, leaving aside all the other difficulties. Just don't bother about so many things. I'm at home, I'm frustrated. Come out of all these things, students. You are still young. You can do much better things. So come out of all these things. Concentrate on your academics. Do well in your studies, because end of the day, that's what matters. Once again, happy Children's Day. Have a good time and happy Deepavali.
Hi, my dear children. Today is your day, that is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you people. For me as a teacher, this day is very special because without children, no teacher. I believe every child brings more love to this world. In your bright faces, we teachers are seeing bright tomorrow. So make us proud, make your parents, your teachers, your school, your college, and our nation also proud. Children, there are something that we cannot buy. One of such thing is our childhood. You maximum enjoy your childhood. My heartfelt love to all of you. Happy Children's Day. Enjoy. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day, guys, to everyone. How many of y'all still have this habit of, licking a lollipop and going and checking out yourself in the mirror to see what is the color of your tongue? Or how many of y'all still walk on the edges of the footpath? Or how many of y'all still, burst one balloon and feel like y'all have just climbed Mount Everest? That is the kind of child that everyone has to cherish, guys. It is there in everyone. I still have this habit of, eating that lollipop and checking out what is the color of my tongue. I don't know when it is going to go, but it's still there. I wish everybody has the child in y'all. Cherish the child irrespective of your age, time or situation. So very, very happy Children's Day to everyone, and don't forget to wish me back.
Every child is a different kind of love. So all together, make the world a beautiful garden. Enjoy your special day. Wish you all Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day. Remain cheerful throughout your life. God bless.
Someone said the success of the teacher depends on the hard work of the student. So, my dear students, work hard and make me more successful. Just kidding. To all my dear students, happy Children's Day. Have a wonderful year ahead. Have lots of fun, and at the same time study, work hard, and get good score in your final exam and make your parents as well as us proud. Happy Children's Day once again. Thank you.
Hello everyone, happy Children's Day. Learn because you want to learn and not because you are being forced into it. But most importantly, dream big and don't be afraid to follow your dreams. Once again, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं.
Hello children, there are some things in our lives that we cannot buy, and one such thing is our childhood. So to keep the child alive within us, let us carry our childhood memories within us. No matter how old we are going to grow, as long as we have our memories, we have the child within us. Happy Children's Day to all. God bless you all. Love you all, children.
Hi, happy Children's Day. May the kid within you be always alive. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hello and hi to all my dear children. Today is a special day that is dedicated to all the children around the world. It is also a day of celebrating the love for children. Each and every child brings joy and happiness into this world. On your smiling faces, we see hope. In your radiant eyes, we see the future. As we wait to celebrate your achievements as you make a mark on this world. To the world, you may be someone, but to someone, you may be the world. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day, students. We're so blessed to have students like you. May each and every one of you realize your potential and achieve your dreams. God bless you all.
Children are the world's most valuable resources and its best hope for the future. Happy Children's Day.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Hello. Every child is a different kind of a flower. All together, they make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day.